Benefiting from all the sleekness of illumination, but with additional storage, the Platform Mirror from HIB offers the best of both worlds in the bathroom. Precision LED illumination around the border frames the Platform Mirror as well as the shelf, which has been designed at a chamfered angle to illuminate the basin located below. Operated using the touchless sensor situated on the underside of the shelf, Platform offers a range of useful features to improve your bathroom experience. It has a heated pad beneath the surface of the mirror, which helps to reduce condensation after a bath or shower, as well as a wireless phone charger concealed within the shelf and a wireless electric toothbrush charger, which fits most major electric toothbrush models. Also included is a handy anti-slip silicone mat, which ensures that your device is safe and secure whilst on charge. Available in 3 sizes with a beautifully understated illuminated design, Platform is the perfect mirror for those seeking elegance and technology.